Alright, so the very first thing we are going to do is establish the outline for this haircut, the new length, basically. So you can see I've got a center section down the middle of the back with two A-line sections, one on the right side and one on the left side that are sectioned away, and I'm combing that first section straight down and basically cutting in the new length, the new outline. From here, I'm going to take A-line sections, working my way up the head, combing them down to this section, so that I can have consistency in the outline throughout the rest of the haircut. Okay, you can see right here, taking another A-line section, combing the section down. I'm going to use that previous section as my guide to know how short to cut the current section. Once we are done with the outline, at that point we will then address the layering. Alright, so now that the outline is done on the left side, we are going to cut the outline here on the right side. Not a whole lot to explain because we're pretty much going to do the same thing we already did, which is take A-line sections, bringing it down, using the underneath as the guide to establish the outline on the right side. Alright, so now it is time to do the frame-to-face layering. You can see I'm combing that hair straight down, and I'm holding the hair in my hands, and then basically what I'm going to do is cut the desired shape of the frame-to-face layers. So, you can see right here, combing it down, working my way from the bottom to the top, just cutting in a nice precision line for those frame-to-face layers. And then I'm going to take another section, and I'm going to work my way up to the previous frame-to-face layering section, and I'm going to do this on the right side as well as the left side. Alright, so basically doing the exact same thing here on the left side, doing the frame-to-face layering. Once I've done this, we will then do the interior layering throughout the rest of the haircut. Alright, so now it is time to establish the layers throughout the interior of the haircut. You can see I have a center section down the middle of the back, and I'm combing that straight back. And basically right there, I'm cutting in the layers. Now, I'm going to cut these layers in. This is going to be the guide for the rest of the layers for the rest of the haircut. I'm going to continue to take sections, working my way left first, and I'll over-direct those sections to the previous section. And then I will duplicate the exact same thing on the right side. Alright, so now I am going to cut the layers on the right side. You can see I am combing the hair straight back to the previous section right here, and then I'm going to use that previous section as my guide to cut those layers. I'm going to finish cutting the layers on the right side, then we will blow dry and wrap up the haircut. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this layered haircut. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Check out all of those layers, how light it makes it. My model has a ton of hair, so the fact that we can layer it and give it some body and volume and lighten it up is awesome. Also, any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks so much again for watching.